Okay, dividing decimals by decimals. When you're dividing a decimal by a number that has a decimal in it, step one is going to be to rewrite the problem so that the divisor, the number on the outside of the bracket, is a whole number. So in this case, I'm going to move that decimal over once to the right, and I have a whole number there. Step two, to keep an equivalent problem, move the decimal point in the dividend, the number under the bracket, the same direction in number of places. So I move this decimal once to the right. Whatever I do on the outside of the bracket, I'm going to do on the inside, and then bring it right up. What I really just did is multiply the divisor and the dividend by 10. Okay, so we have 8 75/100 divided by 7/10. I'm going to move that decimal once to the right. Whatever I do to the divisor, I'm going to do to the dividend, and move that one once to the right. Now I can divide. Okay, so 8 75/100 divided by 7/10 is 12 5/10. Okay, now I have two decimals in my divisor, so I'm going to move it twice to the right. Whatever I do to the divisor, I'm going to do to the dividend. I'm going to move that one twice to the right and bring it up. What I really did is I multiplied the divisor, the number on the outside, by 100 to get a whole number, and I did the same thing to the dividend. Okay. So, okay, now I've got 94 divided by 21. Bring down 5. Okay, so 1, 3,545 10,000ths divided by 21/100. I multiplied the divisor by 100, the dividend by 100, and I got an answer of 6 45/100. Okay. If you look at this example here, if you have two decimal places in your divisor, move the decimal twice to the right. Whatever you do to the divisor, you do to the dividend, and then bring it right up. Okay, if you have one decimal place in the divisor, you move it once to the right. Whatever you do to the divisor, you do to the dividend, and then move it right up. Okay, work carefully and always check your work.